All right, so let's begin. I believe we've got 50 people on the group today, and glad to have you all today here. I believe one of the reasons why we're meeting today is, discussing about what are we going to do or what should we do in the portfolio, because quite a few students have a couple of doubts, as what Rupal mentioned to me last. So I was like, okay, we'll take a session to just kind of understand how to go about with the portfolio. Okay. So, fine. What exactly could come under a portfolio? How many marks is it? When is the submission, etc., etc. I had mentioned a little bit last time also, but I mentioned that I'll share a link with Rupal. So I believe once the link is up, quite a few of you all have got it. So probably that's the reason why the questions are up. Okay. So very firstly, can we have like, if there are ready questions, you all want to ask me something, you want to do that way, you can. Otherwise, if you feel like, ma'am, you can first explain what you have to say and then we will ask questions. So that's also fine. Let me know how you want to do it. You can just put up your questions so that it's easy for me to answer to them. I know what I'll have to speak about. But there aren't so many points, Ritika. That's the issue. Means yeah, okay. I'll give the explanation first, and then the questions will make much more sense. Yeah, sure. Okay, so look, what I want in the portfolio is basically I need you to make at least 4 artworks. Okay, 4 to 5 artworks I had mentioned on something that does not exist on the internet right now. Okay, means the company that you are trying to pick up should not be already present. That is one of the main things that you need to remember about a portfolio. So you're making the notes, right, Ritika? I believe that is what you can do. Okay, you can just sit with a pen and book with your hand, and you can just try to write down things that anywhere where you feel that it's important for you to note it down. You can do that. Okay. So one thing being, I need you to make, very firstly, you should start off with what? You should start off with a logo. Okay, your own company. It should be your own company. It can be in any domain. You can have a textile, you can have an IT, you can have, whichever sector you want to get into. You can, it's like a dream company. Okay, where you want to where you plan to, if it was your own startup, your own logo for that startup, and what all are the things that you'll require. So it's that, you have to make us, you can have a startup idea of your own. This idea might be already present, but the logo should not be already present anywhere. It should be your design. Okay, it should be completely your design. It should not be present anywhere on the internet, or that business should not be already existing business. Okay, fine. Now suppose you have picked up, suppose for example, you want me to show you how to start off with it, I can do that as well. Just give me 1 second, I'm just sharing my screen. Okay, I'm just opening just a sample on, ma'am, if you want to start off with making your own logo, then how to start. You can use any software you're comfortable with. If you want to start with Photoshop, you can start with Photoshop. Want to start with Corel Draw, you can start with Corel Draw. If I feel like, no, ma'am, I'm not comfortable with both of them, I want to start with pen and paper, I'm cool with that as well. Okay, you can have your logo design made on pen and paper normally as well. Okay, don't worry about that. Even that kind of a logo design will be accepted. But then at a later stage, when you're making more things out of that, you will require to use Photoshop or Corel Draw. Okay, so yeah, that is one of the things. So let me just quickly make a sample for you. Suppose I'm making a kind of gaming platform. Okay, this is my idea. Okay, it's like a startup idea, and I want to make a gaming platform for which I need to design a logo. Now, things I need to remember when I am designing a logo is the colors I'm using, because that's something that catches my eye very firstly. The fonts I'm using. So if you remember, when we began off with BMM lectures, we had spoken of what colors look good with what colors, and what text will look good with how do you align them, how do you lay out all of that. So I will want you to do that. So I'll just go file, a new, just create whatever dimensions you are comfortable with. Okay, and here is my sample place for me to design whatever I plan to design. Now the idea needs to be on your mind as to what will be the name of the company, and how will the logo be of the company. Like, what have you thought about it? So this is a thinking process. Okay, it's not something like, you will get it in one instinct that, okay, this is what I have to do. You have to think as to what colors you'll use, what font you'll use, how will you place the logo. So So as of right now, I'm making a very simple logo because I don't want to waste a lot of time. Okay, I'm just going to the text type tool. You can choose a font style from here on the top. We've done this before. I'm just yeah. Okay, and go here and write. Suppose the name of my company, gaming company, is Level Up. Okay, so I'm just going up here and typing. Okay, so I've written level. Okay, and I need to rotate this. So I believe everybody knows by now, Control T is to rotate. And you can mention the dimensions directly here. Suppose I mention 90, negative 90. So this is level written already. So this is like one part of the logo, just writing down level. And then, I require another place. It's level up. So I'll just write up here, and maybe I'd like to change the font. Just a sec. Let me just try out a couple of fonts. So sorry for that. Really sorry. You will require to choose a good font style. Okay. So like what choosing of fonts you want, serif, sans serif, this also you'll have to think in prior and then decide. Uh, I think I like this one. Okay. And what am I going to do is I'm going to take this probably here, and I want to increase the size. So I'm trying to make it look like a coffee cup. Okay, give me a second. Yeah. Okay, just for better understanding, if you want to add a ruler up here, you can go view rulers, and you can add a ruler here to make it, just check whether everything is on a line, because as of right now, my level is not in alignment. So let me just kind of move it, say here. And then I need this up to actually be on the top. So let me just kind of rasterize this layer. I'm not saying make the same logo. In fact, this logo nobody can take up. Please take up your own logo. Okay, think of what you want to do and pick up your own logo or your own idea. Don't copy any of the styles that are given. Okay, because if I find your logo already, present anywhere, then you might have a deduction in marks. So please make sure your logo is not captured anywhere else. Okay, so just a second. I think someone's asking something on the chat. Is it? Give me a second. Can you can add an arrow above up? Yes, Natasha, you can add. You have shapes to add on your own. Yeah, so see, this is your idea, what you want to do with it. So you have shapes here. You can choose arrows and all. You can add level up ke liye arrow if you want to add. Okay, let's keep it simple as of right now. The idea is just designing something with a logo, and once you've designed the black and white area of it, you would now want to colorize it, right? Okay, so how do you colorize it? Choose a good color scheme. Okay, think of what colors will look good, and if you don't understand anything, go on the internet and find some good color schemes. Okay, I haven't said you can't use color schemes. Color schemes you can pick up from anywhere, because that's an idea of what colors will look good together. So that choosing the correct color schemes will also be very, very important. Okay, and will carry marks. What fonts are you choosing and what colors you're choosing is one of the things. The time at which you submit it is going to be important, because your submissions are on the 30th of this month. Okay, the submissions for this portfolio is on the 30th of the month, so I believe you got quite a good time, almost approximately 15 to 20 days you have in hand to make the portfolio. So you can easily go about making, like, as you can see, I made a logo in like 5 minutes, so it's not that difficult. Yeah, the idea needs to be in your head as to what you want to do. So now color schemes, I'll just pick up color schemes, just write color schemes for gaming. Okay, and go to images and find some good colors. So maybe this is a good color combination, but it depends on which colors you want to pick up. So I should have gone on Google. My bad. Just give me a second. Okay, color scheme combinations you can pick up from here. Right. Okay. So yeah, they're giving you some sample color schemes. Okay, and you can choose from here, or you can make your own color scheme, however you're comfortable with. I already have a color scheme, I believe. I'll use that. Okay, let me just import my color scheme on the screen. So I'll go import or place. there. I believe I should have it in this folder if I'm not wrong. This one. So here is my color scheme. I'm planning to use these 4 colors together because I believe these are good gaming colors and will look good. Okay, so how do I use it is I simply put it on one corner of the screen, maybe here. And what I'll do is I'll change the background and the colors according to this. So you can try out which colors are looking good. Like for example, for this level and this up, I might like to, double click on this one, up one, and, change the color to pick up a color, maybe this one. So I put up with this color. If you want to put level also with the same color, you can just copy paste the effects, right click, copy layer style, go to level, right click, paste layer style. So you got level and up both written with the same style. Now I want to set up a background color. So double click on this one and set the background color. Use this paint bucket if you want to. And what you can do is just pick up this or this color, whichever color looks good. Okay, I think maybe this one. And just, fill the layer 0 with that background color. So this can be your logo style. If you don't like this, you want to play around with the colors, you can choose this color also and see how it's looking. Okay, if you feel like this is looking good, this is another same logo, a different contrast. Okay, so yes, that's possible. And suppose for example, if I don't like this also, you can just play around with the colors. You can be like, okay, let's just change the color overlay up here, and instead of using pink, use a darker color. Usually, when it's a light background, a dark color, something like this will look nice. Okay, similarly, if you want to change the level ka color also, just right click, copy layer style, go up here, right click, paste layer style, and you're ready, right? Okay, so yeah, this is one thing. This is artwork one. Your artwork one has to be the logo of the company. Artwork 2, 3, 4, you are free to choose whatever you want to choose. If you feel like my artworks are not that great, you can put one more extra artwork as well, so the best of the 4 will be counted. Okay, so you can add up to 5 artworks and best of 4 will be counted. Okay, and what I need you to do is think of where else will you require this logo. So like for example, if it's a packaging company, then suppose it's a product. Okay, like for example, a chocolate. Very simple. It's a chocolate. You are creating a logo for a chocolate company. You will no, Palak. The very first one is the logo, and should be off the logo. Yes, like for example, if I say this is a gaming company and I started with this, Palak, I want remaining 3 artworks to be related to gaming company's artworks. Understanding? So gaming company में क्या artwork हो सकता है? Maybe you have the package of the CD, you can make that. You can have an Instagram post of the gaming artwork, you can add that. You can, where else? You can make a short video on this, right? Okay, on the gaming company, just introducing your company, kind of an advertisement. You can make that. You can make a banner, okay, outdoor banner. You can do that. Gaming magazine cover, very good, Jay. So that can be one. So like this, I need you to make related to that company. Yes, Isha, right. Right. So if you choose a company, you make a logo for the company and you make at least 3 to 4 artworks on that. If you feel your artworks are great, then you put only 4. If you feel like no ma'am, I want to keep some options, keep 5. I'll choose best 4. Okay, fine. Now about the softwares that you have to use for making these artworks, you need to use the softwares which are taught to you. Okay, preferably the softwares which are taught to you, like Photoshop, Corel Draw, Premiere Pro. Use these 3 softwares and make a good artwork. Okay, fine. Again, on the marking schemes are on how on time, whether you submitted or not submitted. Okay, by the 30th I have mentioned. So submissions will be accepted after 30th as well. I'll put up a default list on the first for all those people who've not submitted the assignment so far. But what I need you to do is make sure that you submit on time, because we don't want to reduce or lose on marks. Okay, so just because of late submissions, don't miss on marks, because any which ways this is something which has to be done with creativity, which differs from person to person. So try to make sure that you have a lot of time in hand. Start working on it right now itself, so that by the end of when you think of it, you'll be able to make up a good artwork. Okay, now regarding the marks, it's an internal assessment of 25 marks. Okay, it's an internal assessment of 25 marks. Just need to confirm with Nidhi ma'am whether it's 20 or 25. She had mentioned to me it's 25. So it's 25 marker assessment, and it's a compulsory assessment for everybody. That means you don't have any option of doing an MCQ paper a part of this. Yes, Palak, that will be fine. Okay, there's no MCQ paper for internal assessment. Your assessment is going to be making of this portfolio, and your marks will be allotted based on the way you made the portfolio. Okay, yeah, as I mentioned, 5 marks are for the colors that you choose and the fonts that you choose. Timeliness will be considering of marks as to whether you submitted the assignment on time or no. Okay, and yeah, the overall layout, how are you putting up the layout, how are you writing. Suppose, for example, if there was a tagline below, your idea, okay, creativity style, what softwares have you used, where do you have to submit. Bhumika, I have given a link. Which format do you have to submit? Just 1 second, one I'll answer. Where do you have to submit, Bhumika and Os? What in the form you are supposed to send the portfolio to you? Yes, Os, you have to send me the portfolio in that form, the Google form that I have given you. In that form, very firstly, you will mention your details, and when you go to the next option, you will have a file upload button. So you can upload your portfolios up there. I have given you a maximum of 10 ka size of your portfolio. Okay, no, none of your portfolios will be above 100 MB, I'm sure. So and 100 MB each image. So I think you'll be easily able to manage. And I have kept a sample for over 10 sizes. Okay, like you can add up to 10 files in that. So if you want to add on your own, pencil sketch and all of that, you want to share that with me, you can do that. You can add in a notepad file if you want to mention something to me regarding how have you made it, etc. If you want to, you can add that as well. It's not compulsory. Only your artwork with the logo, you will be asked to name the company. You will have to name the category of the company. Like, for example, if I say chocolate, okay, like if I made like a logo for delicious chocolates, maybe. So I'll say, a category is chocolates or category is textile. In my example, category is gaming. So you have to add the category, and once you've added the category, you'll have to upload the file. Now, Gayatri asking me, ma'am, which format do you have to submit in? Preferable format is you have to upload your Photoshop file and your Corel Draw or Premiere Pro file. Okay, if it's a Premiere Pro file, I need the MP4, the final exported one, and otherwise you have to upload your Photoshop and Corel Draw files as well, along with a PDF. Okay, you have to convert this to PDF. It's not that difficult. I'll show it to you. File, save as up here, and instead of saying PSD, just write PDF. Photoshop PDF, you will find it here. See, look, this is a PDF. A PDF will be easy for you to refer as well, for me to directly open and allot you marks based on that as well. So PDF or JPG is preferred. Yes, Photoshop has to be there, Arya, but PDF also has to be there. PDF or JPG. Okay, cool. Now, Aryan asking me, ma'am, can we add a smaller image into the whole image, or does the entire image have to be fully made by us? Again, if you're adding a smaller image, Aryan, marks will be allotted based on that. Not necessary you have to make the entire image by you. You can have a little reference from the internet as well, but not that much. I can say, Aryan, your reference can be 70-30. 70 has to be made by you, 30 can be taken from the internet. Overall in the portfolio, I'll give you. 30% reference can be from the internet, 70% has to be made from you. Can't be completely from the internet. Okay, Aryan? Yeah, great. Abhijit, then what I would recommend you to do is you write down an email to me. I believe you have my email ID. Just give me a second. Send me the actual artwork on this email ID only for all those who've already uploaded it. Okay, because I wasn't really sure whether you uploaded it directly so far. I mean, I'm just giving you a submission link so far. So, yeah, you can send me the PSD file on this one, on this ID. But my recommendation is all those who haven't uploaded it, please do that on the link. Okay. Gayatri, there's nothing like if your version is cracked, you cannot use internet while you're using the file. I mean, I am also on internet right now, Gayatri, and even mine is a cracked version, but I mean, I'm using it along with Zoom. Should not be a problem, Gayatri. Just check. Ma'am, can we make our designs from both the softwares and put images in PowerPoint in order to make a PDF along with other? Very good. Ritika, go for it. Go for it. There's no problem. Yes, Anushka, you can use Illustrator. There's no problem. Avoid using things like Canva and all, which are ready templates. A part of that, you can use Photoshop, Illustrator, Corel Draw, Premiere Pro, no problem. Yeah. Anybody else wants to ask anything else? JPG format, if you want to save the file, you have. Yes, Gayatri, tell me. Achha, you had a problem with Corel Draw while you were using the internet? Gayatri, I believe you should just get it checked, because you can use internet as far as I know with the cracked version as well. And if in case you're not able to still do it, what I would recommend you to do, Gayatri, is probably whatever file you require, right? Download it first with the color schemes and everything. Download what you have planned, and then maybe shut the internet and use the software. Once you're done with the software, you can save it. Yes, web page design will be counted as an artwork visual. Yes. Can you repeat how to submit the format of the files? Okay, one second, Ushma. Can one of you all just put in the link? I'll show it to you. The format of the files can be anything. It can be a PDF file, can be a JPG file, but your original artwork of Photoshop and Illustrator or Corel Draw needs to be also present. Okay, so let me just show it to you. In case you don't know how to export it, you go file, save as, and from here just choose the format. Like for example, for you it's JPG or it's Photoshop PDF. Just choose which format you want it. Okay, just click on that format and save the files. I need the PDF files, and along with the PDF file, I require you to give me. Do you have any link to download the cracked version? One of you all had mentioned on the group. Can you all just reshare the link for downloading the cracked version? On the BMM group, I believe most of y'all do have a crack version ka link. Google Drive link was shared. Just post both of them. Crack version for Mac, Drishti, I have no idea, honestly speaking. Probably you'll have to connect to a software guy and get it done. Jatin had shared it. Okay. Just check with him now. You can get the cracked version link. If it's possible, if you all have it with you in hand, just copy paste it and give it so that everybody gets it. Web page design can be counted as an artwork. If it's an app, your app layout will be considered as an artwork. Okay, your any post for promotion, any banner can be considered as artwork. Product design can be considered as artwork. Branding, anything like you're doing for like a Facebook cover page or something like that, can also be considered as an artwork. These are all valid artworks, but the only thing is it should have your own idea. Okay, if we don't have the paid version of Photoshop or Corel, is there any other app from where I can make the logo like through Microsoft or something like that? Palak, I would recommend you to for some by some way arrange for a Photoshop or Corel Draw. Don't use Microsoft and all that. For logo you will, but what about the other artworks, Palak? So sooner or later you'll require the software. Okay, so might as well you can go about with that. Yeah, Gayatri, I have not kept any kind of limitations as to how many artworks can be made on which software. You can make all 4 on Photoshop, all 4 on Corel Draw, or 2 on Photoshop, 2 on Corel Draw, no problem. You want to make 1 Photoshop, 1 Premiere Pro, 1 Corel Draw, no problem. It's on your comfortability, however you want to make it. I have no restrictions on that. Anyone wants to ask anything else? Yes, you can, Jay. You can. Can I repeat how to submit the format of the files? Ushma, I request you to go to, so see, the folder or the Google Drive link which you have, right, Ushma, it will allow you to upload as many files as you want, up to 10 files, and you can upload any format.
Okay, there it will not give you any restriction on why are you submitting a Photoshop file or why are you submitting a CorelDRAW file. You can submit any format that you want. My recommended format is you need to have the PDF or JPG file. Okay, setup files are your Jatin has shared a link. Okay, for anybody who wanted the crack setup, Jatin has shared the link. For submitting the file format, I said mentioned go to file, save as. Your file format should be, you have to submit compulsorily the Photoshop or CorelDRAW's file. That is this file, Photoshop file. You have to submit this. Along with this, you have to submit a PDF or JPG file which is directly openable. Not necessary, Isha, it's on you. If you want to put a tagline for better, if it's your logo, you would want to add a tagline, you can. If you don't want to add, it's on you. Ishika, you can do that, but I would recommend you to not use a ready template. Along with Photoshop, if you want to use a software, you can, but avoid using ready-made templates. Because then, if everybody starts using templates, the files will look very repetitive and similar, and so will the marks be very, if I find a ready-made template, I might reduce marks. I want your idea to come up. Allocation, not really, Akshat Shah. I am saying that you can use whichever software you want. I'm keeping you open on that because I'm sure few of you all have some issues with the downloading, uploading of softwares. Not everybody will get all versions. So no allocation on the number of softwares used. Allocations will be on the creativity, color, font style, and how you're putting it up. Social media platform promotion will work. Yes, will work, Palak. No problem. No allocations on the number of softwares. Yeah, it works. It works. Visiting cards and stationaries are fine, Abhijit. Merchandise is fine. Visiting card is fine. UI app designing is fine. Website is fine. Logo itself fine. Video for a promotion, short video fine. Flyer, banner fine. Standee kind of a thing you want to make fine. What do you mean by ready-made mockup? I didn't understand that. Abhijit, avoid using templates. That's what I mentioned even earlier. So if you just upload the file on the link you have sent and nothing else. Yeah, right. Goodies and apparels having logos, cards, letterheads. Very good, Ritika. Yes, those are also considered as artworks. We can upload, Akshat. If you want to upload JPG PDF files, you can. Okay, yeah, you can prepare a visiting card, Dandita. You have also said we have 10 individual file limit on the uploads, which means you can upload maximum 5 artworks. Yeah, maximum 5, yes. You have to ideally, marks are given for 4 artworks, Akshat, logo and 4 artworks. And yeah, so basically 5 artworks and project file and JPG. So yes, 10 files. Like we take normal, paste our logos and edit. Yeah, Ritika, you can do that. Anyone else wants to ask anything? Sure, Palak. In fact, there are students who are already reaching out to me on email, and I've reverted to all of them. So yes, you can reach me out on my email as well. Examples of artworks, you need Yazad. Palak Rupal has it, you can connect to her. And Yazad, can you show me some examples of artworks after making the logo? You want me to share it with you guys because I had already done it earlier in the earlier presentations. I have showed you some artworks. Uh, if you remember, we used to have some samples. So whenever I used to open a slide, I used to give you some sample portfolio as well. So yeah, one second, I'll just check. I don't have it right now ready-made, Yazad, but I can share it with you guys. Yeah, I'll share it again. Yeah, Arya and Palak. I'll share you the artwork design again. I'll connect with Rupal and I'll share it with you. Okay. Yeah. So fine then, I believe that's it for today. We've connected and solved all the portfolio queries. So I believe I'll just take a lecture on explaining what exactly needs to be done in the portfolio so that you know, you all are clear with the concepts. Right? Okay. So I hope the doubts are clear, and if not, you have my email ID. Rupal can give my contact as well so that you can solve it. Okay. Chalo, all the best for your portfolio. Bye bye.